Welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will focus on solving the expression x squared plus 10x plus 25 divided by x plus 5. Follow along as we break down the steps to simplify this expression. Let's dive in. First, we start by examining the given rational expression. We have the numerator x squared plus 10x plus 25 divided by the denominator x plus 5. To reduce this expression to its lowest terms, we need to factorize both the numerator and the denominator. Let us begin with the numerator, which is x squared plus 10x plus 25. We can rewrite this as x plus 5 times x plus 5. This is because the expression x squared plus 10x plus 25 is a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial takes the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which factors into a plus b all squared. In our case, a is x and b is 5. Therefore, the numerator becomes x plus 5 times x plus 5. Now, checking the denominator, we observe it is simply x plus 5. This does not require any factoring, as it is already in its simplest form. At this point, we rewrite the entire expression with the factored forms we have found. So it becomes x plus 5 times x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. We now have the expression written as x plus 5 times x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. Notice that x plus 5 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. Since we are dealing with a fraction, if the same factor appears on both the top and the bottom, we can cancel it out. By canceling out x plus 5 from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with just x plus 5. When we cancel, we are effectively dividing both the numerator and the denominator by x plus 5, which simplifies the expression. So the expression simplifies to x plus 5. This means our original rational expression, x squared plus 10x plus 25, divided by x plus 5, reduces to just x plus 5. This is the final step, and we now have the rational expression in its lowest terms. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.